Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to E-Library for All. In today's lecture, we are going to be completing the pen program that is left. So let's open our program. Okay, so it was this program. We made this. I named it YouTube pen program. You can name it anything you like. Okay, so you can see that we have only made this much code. And in the main program, we have more than this code. Okay, see? And there is also no stop sign in the main program. Okay, so there needs to be a stop sign in the main program, but I'll add it later. So we only need to discuss about the blocks that are left. So as we learned about the formula 360 divided by the angle of rotation, we need to use that formula again to make these shapes. But the shapes are going to be upside down. So now let's see how the shapes are going to be upside down. Okay. So first, this was the program for making the square, triangle and pentagon. So now we have this program to make the square. Okay. So now we need to see that how we will make the square be upside down. Okay. So now as you can see that over here it is turned 90 degrees, but it is repeat 6. And over here it is repeat 3. And over here it is repeat 5. So why did we do the repeat 6 over here? And why did we keep all these normal? Let me tell you. Okay. So if we click the green flag, okay, so like the square is normal, the triangle's upside down, and the pentagon is upside down. So how did that happen? So you can see that we have changed the positions. So that's why they are being upside down. And you can see the angle of the, magic wand. It is also changed. Get it? So now if we go in our program and do the same, then we will get our, okay, then we will get our program. So let's just duplicate this. Okay, so now I need to start it duplicating from here. Now I'll take this down and down and down and put it here, and I'll change this to repeat 6, and now I'll run the program. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, square, triangle, pentagon. Okay, so I forgot to add the positions. So now you can see they came upside down. So why did they become upside down? Because we changed their position. By changing their position, they become upside down because the angle of the wand changes. The square stays the same because the square is equal from all sides. But these shapes are not equal from all sides. So they become upside down and look different, while the square looks the same. But the square is also upside down. So let's go to our main program and get the positions. Okay. First, second, third. Okay, so now our first position is negative 183, negative 140. Okay, so 2, 3. Over here we need to add these blocks. Okay, so let's open our backpack. have this block in our backpack, so we will add this over here, put this over here, and put this over here. Okay, so negative 83, 114. Okay, so let's check the positions again. Okay, it's 114 and 183. Okay. Okay, so now our positions are correct. Okay, so now I need to go over here. No, sorry, over here. So now I need to check the position 31, negative 26. Negative 36. Okay. Now let me just check. Me check it again. It's 26. Okay. Negative 26. Okay. So now I need to go down again. Wait once again. Repeat 3. Pen up. X105. Okay. Now I need to change the positions again. Okay, so the position is 195, negative 16. 195, negative 16. Okay, so now let's test the program and let's add a stop all block. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now let me test the program. Okay, so now a square, a triangle, a pentagon, a square, a triangle, and another pentagon. So this was the program I was trying to make with you guys. Inshallah, in the next video, we will make another program. In that program, we will use the same formula and we would just have to enter the sides of the shapes to make the shape. So now we have made the shapes using a pen. Now in the next program, we will make shapes using our choice. Okay. So you can just add a backdrop to make it look beautiful. You can add any backdrop, but I think you should choose a backdrop from the patterns because they suit the shapes. Like rays, you can see that how beautiful it looks. You can also change the color so it matches with the backdrop. You can also choose the light, the hearts, the circles. You can see you can change the color to black. You can go to backdrops, you can go to patterns, you can choose light. You can choose hearts. You can also choose this backdrop, stripes. I really like the stripes. So inshallah, in the next video, we will meet again. Just need to save your program. Please remember to save it. Inshallah, in the next video, it will be part 1 of the pen's choice program. And inshallah, after the pen programs, we will be learning about the Scratch's new category, which is my block. So inshallah, in the next video, we will make another pen program. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.